Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert Gemini AI text into PDF. This is very useful when you want to save your chats, notes, summaries, or generated content as a clean PDF file. First, open the Gemini app or go to gemini.google.com and open the chat that contains the text you want to convert. Carefully long press on the text and drag your finger slowly across the entire content to select everything you need. Make sure you have selected all the important parts properly. Once selected, tap on the copy option. Now let's move to the first method using Google Docs. Open the Google Docs app on your phone or Google Docs on your computer. Create a completely new blank document. Once the new document is open, tap and hold in the empty area and select Paste to bring all the copied text from Gemini. Take your time to format the document nicely, add proper headings, adjust the font size, improve paragraph spacing, make bullet points if needed, and organize the content so it looks clean and professional. After formatting is done, tap on the three dots menu at the top right corner. Select Share and Export, then tap on Export as PDF. Choose the quality and page size according to your preference. Finally, tap Save and select the folder where you want to save the PDF file. You can also rename the file before saving it for easy identification. Now the second method using online converters. After copying the text from Gemini, open your browser and go to any reliable free website such as smallpdf.com or ilovepdf.com. Select the text to PDF conversion tool. Paste the copied text into the given box. Review the pasted content once to ensure everything is correct. Then click on the Convert button. Wait for a few seconds while the tool processes your text and converts it into a PDF. Once the conversion is complete, download the PDF file to your device. Third method for computer users, print to PDF. Open the Gemini chat in your browser. Make sure the entire conversation you want is visible. Press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to open the print dialog. In the printer destination, change it from your regular printer to save as PDF. Adjust the layout settings if needed, such as portrait or landscape mode, and select the pages you want to include. Then click on Save and choose the location on your computer where you want to save the PDF file. This way you can save long responses, study notes, business ideas, or any important information generated by Gemini as a professional-looking PDF file. That's it. This is how you can easily convert Gemini text into PDF in 2026. It is simple and works every time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.